Desirable food inside the plastic bag. The plastic bag must be the plastic bag special for the vacuum sealer. And remember, you need to leave 3 finger space. Second, open the vacuum sealer and position the bag in the correct place. Inside the machine, you can use this one to hold your bag. And here have one limitation to show until where you need to put your bag. It's very important that you don't cover this hole, or else the machine cannot take the air inside the bag. Now that you place your bag correctly until the limit indicator, you can close the machine. Third step, close the latches. Fourth step, press the working button. In this step, it's very important you don't touch the top of the machine, or else the machine will seal your bag and you will not be able to take the air out. So let's press the working button. You can see the air is going out. Now the light becomes red. It means the machine is sealing your bag. After the light becomes green again, you just release the air inside the machine. You open the latches and your food is done.